Hello, this is Rowan, founder of Techie Stays. Are you drowning in reviews at your hotel? The average quality hotel will receive around 500 reviews that need unique responses every month across multiple platforms. This drowns your team in a high workload. A better way is to instruct artificial intelligence with your expertise and your hotel branding. Let me show you how we do it at Techie Stays. So basically, once you've created an account, you simply input your hotel brand voice and terms that you like to use, your outlets and facilities and benefits to the guest, and unique features of your hotel. You can also localize your greeting and include your booking email address. Once that's done, you're set up, ready to go. If you don't have a brand voice, we can get that for you right from your hotel website. So from here, I just paste in the guest review and the guest name. Okay, I can choose the output, I can choose the output word length as well as the language, and then I just go ahead and hit create. So it takes a few seconds per review. Once it's done, you just simply need to copy it as a response. What makes this unique is that it will refer to the unique features of your hotel in addition to outlets. As you can see here, it promotes the different outlets of your hotel based on what the terms that the guest has actually said. So this means you get a unique response that markets your hotel every single time to the hundreds of thousands of guests that review your hotel. Please sign up for a free trial. Love to get your feedback and improve what we're doing. Thanks for your time.